we decided not to stay at the hotel, so we will change the hotel now and we'll go to my favorite hotel in Shanghai. So we are now at Shanghai Hongqiao Station. We will take the subway from here and then go to the hotel. So we are now on the subway to our hotel. First we have to take line 2, then we will interchange to line 12 and then hopefully get to the hotel. So I'm back at the hotel in Shanghai. If you watched the videos from last year, you may remember it. So it's the same. So at the moment we can't go in the hotel, or not in our room, because they put some poison in the room to kill insects. So we have to wait for some time, and I hope when we go to the room that it's not this poisonous for humans, so that we will not get any problems. We had a similar issue, I think, in Wuhan, where we had to wait until they put the poison in the room to kill some insects. I can't judge if it's safe or not to go there, but we will wait for several hours until we go to the room, and hopefully the poison will be gone, and also the insects. So just next to the hotel there's this Lanzhou La Mian restaurant where we'll have lunch today. It has been also here in the past, so I'm very happy that it's still here. So it's very close, convenient to go here when you're in the hotel to have some lunch or some dinner. They always have good food, and it's not so expensive. Tastes good, so very comfortable. So this is my favorite food here in China: rice, tomato, egg. Yeah, I really don't like the green vegetables. They put it sometimes also on it, but yeah, the rest of it is good, and I will also eat the vegetable, but yeah, it's not my favorite. Most of the time in this kind of restaurants you always get this kind of soup. Also the taste is very good, and my wife got some noodles with beef and some peppers. So we will eat now and then go to city. So actually this could have been our room, but as you saw, there's construction site on this side, and yeah, we want to have a more quieter room, so we asked for another room, and now we are here in this room, and it's also a little bit bigger, usually a little bit more expensive, but we got it now for free, or not for free, but the upgrade for free, because yeah, we asked for a quieter room. So I think it's time for a room tour. So this is how the bathroom here looks like. We have a shower, and like always, view through the shower in the room, and also up here the standard free stuff in the hotels here. Also some shoes and some other clothes. See there. Yep, there is the hairdryer. I think we still should leave the door a little bit open, because you can smell a little bit the poison, which I was talking about before. So this is the bed, a very big one, flat screen TV on the other side. Then here there's the empty minibar, then some space to sit over here, small chair and desk here, and much better than the construction site on the other side, which I also showed you last year. This year we are on the opposite side, and from here you can see basically this, but in the distance you can see Shanghai Tower and also the other high buildings. You can even see the Oriental Pearl Tower, the top of it. So basically it's a skyline view room, but yeah, we're too far away for to really call it like this, but much better view than on the construction site on the other side. So that's the room for Shanghai for 2 days, and then we will move to the airport hotel. So that was the room tour. No, that wasn't the room tour. So we have 2 bottles of water, water heater, and some tea and coffee. So now the room tour is over. So see you yeah, in the next video. We decided not to stay at the hotel, so we will change the hotel now and we'll go to my favorite hotel in Shanghai, the Holiday Inn Express in the Jiabei district. So we have to take a bus to there and we have to find a bus station now. So there you see our new hotel, and if you want to know why we took the bus, there were actually several taxis waiting in front of our hotel. We could have taken them. We also asked the drivers, but the problem is this hotel is just about 3 kilometers away from the hotel I've been before, and the taxi drivers refused to drive such a short distance because they can't earn enough money for it. So we decided to take the bus and use the time to walk a little bit through Shanghai and carry all of the stuff. I already carried it around the mountain, so no problem to also carry it for some more meters to the hotel. Okay, now the second room tour for today. This time in our new hotel in Shanghai. I have to turn on the lights. Okay, now we will stay in this room. Okay, we have the bathroom here, so toilet thing and the shower here. Then there's the wardrobe with a safe inside, the laundry bag if you want to wash some clothes, some hangers, a mirror. Then place where you can put your suitcase. Big bed, usually very soft. It's got harder, not so soft as in the past. Now we have a TV, also water heater, small desk with chair, a sofa, a couch, very good, telephone, then some clock. In the past it had an iPhone charger, this doesn't have it anymore. And the view on the Shanghai railway station, so you can see the trains from there. You can have a look at the bridge and on the river. And can we see the skyline? I think it's not possible from here. Let's check it. Maybe it also got too foggy. No, not possible to see from here. Yeah, but view is okay. It's not too loud because there's also a construction site near this hotel, but on the other side of the hotel, so no problem. The room, very nice, better than the other hotel. Oh, I just was thinking that the camera is not recording, but it's recording. Better than the other hotel, and I really like the breakfast here, but still very simple. But they have toast and they have strawberry jam, and I really like it, so I'm very happy that I can eat it tomorrow morning. Yeah. So this is our second hotel. We will stay here. No bad smell, no noise, Wi-Fi is working, so everything great. I just discovered something. So if you want to charge something, there are USB ports where you can plug directly your mobile phone, for example. Yeah. So that's everything for this room. I hope you like it, and we like it. So that's now the final room tour for today. Hopefully you will not see a third one. So that's the room tour for Shanghai, and the next time I will show you some things from the city. So bye. So if you ask yourself, why didn't we choose this hotel in the first place, it's just because of the location. So for this hotel, it takes around 15 minutes to walk to the subway, and the other one, it's just on the opposite side of the street, so very close. So this is the reason. I just like it, yeah, when I can go to the subway fast and don't have to walk so much. Usually during the day it's less important, but when I have to carry all of the stuff, yeah, it's more important for me that I don't have to carry it through half of the city until I can get to the hotel. So that's why we didn't go here at the first place, but we are now here because I know it's a much better hotel than the other one. So that's the reason why. So we are back in Shanghai, and I just went to the Bund to see the skyline because we don't have any special plans for Shanghai. So yeah, I just walk around and check if I see something interesting. The people are getting more and more today because tomorrow there's the 1st October, so it's National Day in China. Yeah, it's a holiday, a public holiday. A lot of people will come to China, so you have also a high police and military presence today in the town to control all of the crowds who will approach in the city. So also in the subway it's very full. So that's what we will force this weekend, or the weekend is already over, so the next few days there will be a lot of people in the city, and yeah, we will check if we can find something interesting. If I find something, I will share it with you and make a video about it. So there's a lot going on here at the Bund. I just first saw this a model shooting for Chanel, but actually they're shooting their wedding pictures here, and there are other people doing it. For example, yep. So I think it will be quite expensive to do it here, but also very beautiful. Come to the Bund, usually you will be over there just in front of the Peace Hotel. When you walk down the Nanjing Road, this is the place where you will come to, and this is also where most people are. But when you walk more to the left from there, where I am at the moment, you can still see the skyline, as you can see here. Yeah. But there are not so many people here, so you can have a free spot to take some pictures. Or, for example, they will also take some wedding pictures here, and it's not as crowded as just in front of the Peace Hotel.